right here and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys I have another wig review. So if you're interested to see the details on the unit that I'm currently wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the unit that I am going to be reviewing today was brought to you guys by the company SAMSBEAUTY.com. Thank you SAMSBEAUTY for allowing me to review this unit for my viewers. So I'm sure you guys want to know what it is, so I'm going to stop talking and just get right into it. But this is a extremely natural looking unit and I think you guys are really going to like this one. So let me just go ahead and tell you what I'm wearing. This unit is by the company Sensationnel. It is their supermodel series and I am wearing the style name Sunniva. The color I have it on is F1B30. This does feature a triple X large Swiss lace parting area, so you can part it wherever you want to within that 6x4 area. It is a 100% human hair and hybrid mix. It is a lace front, and then of course it is heat safe between 350 and 400 degrees. It also comes in other colors that can be found on the SAMSBEAUTY site, so all the details will be listed in the description box. Make sure you open it up. This is what the stock card looks like for those who are interested. So you do have two combs on either side of the head. I won't say on the parting because it's kind of like on the sides that you have your combs. You have a comb in the back and you also have adjustable straps. This is a silk base, so it's not just a lace base. It is supposed to mimic your scalp pretty naturally. You can part it, like I mentioned, within that 6x4 area. This is not a breathable cap. This is actually a closed off cap, but it is very comfortable. I will say, yes, it is big head friendly. I'm really liking the way this hair feels. It's so soft. It's so like silky, but not. It's not yucky. It is probably more supposed to be silky, but it almost just feels like really sleek, blown out African American hair. So yes, I do feel like it is a very natural looking. I'm not experiencing a whole bunch of tangling. I am experiencing a little bit of tangling towards the ends. And I'm also not receiving any shedding from this unit, which is a really good thing. And it is a lot of hair on this unit. So I would say the density is very full. It's really nice though. I really like the density. This unit does have baby hairs along the perimeter of the front and in the back, so that is also something to note. If you are looking to pick this unit up on the SAMSBEAUTY site, it is currently retailing for $59.99. Alright, so now I'm going to talk about what I think of this unit. I'm actually really feeling this one. From the color down to the texture of the unit, down to the length and the style, I feel like this Sensational unit is like dead on to a natural looking unit. I feel like it's just really soft and kind of airy. It's hard to explain. Like it feels so natural. It feels so natural. And this pretty highlight throughout it, the color I have is F1B30, so the majority of this unit is the 1B color, but there are some highlights throughout it and I feel like they just make it that much more natural looking because they're like kind of random. Like they kind of just peek through when you kind of move around or the hair moves around. So I really like that aspect of it. I think that makes it gorgeous. This unit is rather long on me. I am 5'7" and it hits me about at my waist. So I'd say this is a good 26-inch long unit. So for a synthetic unit, I don't really go for the long ones just because they tangle so easily. And like I mentioned, I am getting some tangling towards the end of this one, so that is something to note. But I think it'll last you a really long time because like when I wear my units, the more they tangle toward the bottom, I just begin to cut and cut until I have like a cute little bob or whatever. So if you guys are open to that, then I think you'll really get a lot of use out of this unit. It just feels really well made. Like it's really, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I don't have any units that feel like this. Like, I don't know, it feels so natural. I feel like nobody would be the wiser if you wore this. Like, they probably would think it's your hair. Alright, so would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would. I really like it. I feel like it's going to last a really long time. I feel like the density in combination with the color and the texture of this unit make it stand out amongst the rest. It's just a really well-made unit and I really don't think anybody would be disappointed with this purchase. So yeah, I would recommend this unit if you're looking for something straight, something a little bit long. This is probably definitely for you. It can be worn every day easily for any occasion. So yeah, I think this is definitely worth giving a try if you're looking for something along this line. I feel like it looks really similar to a sew-in, and it feels like a sew-in, like that. It kind of feels like virgin hair, to be completely honest. I'm like really impressed with the texture. So if you guys are interested in picking this unit up, make sure you open that description box. All the information that you need will be down listed below. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this unit, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more wig reviews and tutorials from me. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. We have reached 9,000 subscribers and I'm super excited. 10,000 is just a short minute away. I can feel it. I can feel the 10,000 coming. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join my little crew, and yeah, until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.